Do bum exercises make your bum bigger or smaller? The answer is yes, exercise can make your butt bigger, if you do the right kind of exercises, and follow the right kind of program. In fact, your butt is made up of several gluteus muscles, often referred to as just the glutes. Enlarging your glute muscles will make your butt larger and appear bigger. Building stronger butt muscles will not only improve your speed and explosiveness, but will also protect your lower back and knees from injury. Plus, any good butt workout should include some of these best butt exercises that will target the biggest muscle in your body, the glute max. So, add these exercises to your butt workout. Whether you want your booty stronger, bigger, or more lifted, these workouts can help. At Sportywitty, our mission is to encourage people, of all ages, both men and women, to make physical activity and outdoor sports a part of their daily fitness routine. So, stay connected, and subscribe, and press that bell notification icon to stay updated. 1. Barbell hip thrust. From standing, place your hands on a barbell, with your feet hip-width apart, and a slight bend in your knees. Engage your core as you lift the bar, keeping your arms straight, as you engage your hamstrings and glutes. Keep your back flat as you engage your glutes and hamstrings, then return to the starting position. This exercise not only works your glutes and leg muscles, it also works the muscles in your core, back, and shoulders. 2. Step-up step-ups. Step-ups are another great exercise to work on your butt. The step-up is a classic strength and conditioning exercise, and it should be a staple in anyone's training program. When it comes to step-ups, the higher the box, the greater you work your butt. Due to the increased flexion at the hip, lower boxes tends to work your quads and calves more. 3. Curtsy lunge. The curtsy lunge targets the main muscles involved in a lunge, the quads and glutes, but also engages some additional movers. When your leg crosses back and around, the gluteus medius, on the stationary leg, fires up. The hip abductors, which bring your thighs together, are also engaged. 4. Bent knee glute kickback. Bracing your core, with knees and hips slightly bent, use your glute to kick your working leg directly back, as high as it will go, without compromising your hip position. Squeeze at the top, resist the weight and slowly lower your foot back to the starting position. Complete 10 to 12 reps for 2 to 4 sets on each leg. 5. Sprinter's lunges. Sprint. It goes without saying that the best way to build glutes and hamstrings for athletic performance is to sprint maximally and regularly. In sprinting, when the foot is on the ground, the glutes will reach their maximal contractile force, the peak of which will exceed most anything done in the weight room. 6. Barbell squats. If squats are the main lower body exercise in your training program, and you perform them properly and consistently, improve your performance. They will build muscle on your glutes. 7. Pistol squat. Works glutes, legs, hip mobility. Stand with feet hip-width apart in front of a plyo box or chair. Right leg a few inches off ground, knee straight, foot flexed, arms extended. Keep right leg elevated as you squat until glutes touch box. Press through heel to return to start for 1 rep. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. 8. Single leg deadlift. The deadlift is a great exercise to really work the entire back of your body, including your hamstrings, butt, and back. Your glutes, quads, and hamstrings are involved, but so are your back and traps, and even your shoulders and triceps. 9. Walking lunges. Walking lunges are arguably the most complete lower body exercise on the planet. They develop your glutes, hamstrings, quads, and calves in addition to hitting your inner and outer hips and thighs. And if your hips are tight and your balance is suspect, walking lunges are an ideal exercise to plug into your regimen. 10. Glute hamstring extension machine. When used as intended, lying belly down, The back extension machine trains your hamstrings, glutes, and low back. Back extensions are a great supplemental exercise to the squat and the deadlift for developing your posterior chain. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.